Facing bankruptcy, understanding financial crisis. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of facing bankruptcy. This is an important topic, especially for those who are interested in business English or understanding financial news. So, let's dive into what it means to face bankruptcy, its implications, and some related expressions. When a person or a company is facing bankruptcy, it means they are in a situation where their debts are so high that they are unable to pay them. Bankruptcy is a legal process, and when someone enters into it, they are looking for protection from their creditors, the people they owe money to. It's important to know that bankruptcy is a serious financial condition, often seen as a last resort. There are many reasons why individuals or companies might find themselves facing bankruptcy. Some common causes include poor financial management. Not keeping good track of expenses and earnings can lead to a financial crisis. Unexpected events. Things like natural disasters, accidents, or sudden market changes can drastically affect someone's financial stability. Overwhelming debt. Taking on more debt than one can handle, often due to loans or credit misuse, can lead to bankruptcy. Bankruptcy isn't just declaring that you can't pay your debts, it's a formal process that involves legal steps. Here's a simplified breakdown. 1. Filing for bankruptcy. The individual or company must file a petition in court. 2. Asset evaluation. A court-appointed trustee assesses the debtor's assets. 3. Debt repayment plan. Depending on the type of bankruptcy, a plan is made to pay off debts, sometimes by liquidating assets or setting up a payment plan. Facing bankruptcy has significant consequences. Credit score impact. Bankruptcy can severely damage a person's credit score. Asset loss. In some cases, individuals may lose valuable assets. Emotional stress. The process can be very stressful and affect personal well-being. Facing bankruptcy is a complex and serious matter. It's crucial to manage finances carefully and seek professional advice if you find yourself in a financial crisis. We hope this video helps you understand the gravity and implications of bankruptcy. Remember, it's always better to be informed and prepared. Until next time, take care and manage your finances wisely.